Every great application runs on great data, and behind that data is a well-designed SQL relational database. In this video, you'll learn the essential steps to design one correctly, from concept to creation. A relational database stores information in structured tables. Each table contains rows and columns, and tables can link to each other using relationships. SQL, the structured query language, is how we interact with these tables. The first step is understanding the purpose of your database. What kind of data does your system need? Who will use it, and for what tasks? A clear goal helps you avoid unnecessary complexity later. Next, identify your entities. Entities are the main objects in your system, like customers, orders, or products. Think of them as nouns. Each entity will eventually become a table in your database. Once you know your entities, define their attributes, the pieces of information you need to store about each one. For example, a customer needs a name, email, and phone number. Every table needs a primary key, a unique identifier for each record. Common choices include auto-incrementing numbers, UIDs, or natural keys like email, if it's guaranteed unique. Now connect your entities. Does one customer have many orders? Does one product belong to many categories? These become relationships, usually one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many. SQL handles these using foreign keys and join tables. To avoid redundancy and maintain data integrity, apply normalization rules, typically up to third normal form. This ensures every piece of data is stored only once, and each table has a single clear purpose. With the design complete, you can now write SQL to create your schema. Use create table, define data types, set primary and foreign keys, and enforce constraints to keep your data consistent and clean. Before launching your application, test your database. Insert sample data, run common queries, and optimize as needed. A database should be flexible, scalable, and efficient. And that's how you design a solid SQL relational database. Define your entities, map relationships, normalize your data, and build a clean, reliable schema. With these steps, you're ready to turn ideas into a powerful data-driven system.